This is a front and back tandem carry combination using 2 woven wraps. The back carry is double hammock shoulder to shoulder tied under bum using a base plus 1 wrap. The front carry is an integrated front cross sling using a base minus 1 wrap. The back carry used is very supportive for toddlers, but the front carry is appropriate for babies of all ages. Start by wrapping the first baby on your back. If your babies are different sizes, I recommend putting the heavier baby on the back. Starting centered on the wrap, get baby on your back and make a seat. Then with one hand holding both tails securely and the other under baby's bum, bounce baby down until their knees are below where the bottom edge of the chest pass will be. Bring one tail under your arm to make the chest pass, and then spread it up over baby's back. Tighten the chest pass. I like to start with a top rail only L pull. And then I walk the slack out of the bottom rail while pulling the width of the chest pass down taut. Then I finish with a whole wrap L pull. Now, unlike a regular double hammock, keep this tail under your arm after the L pull. Strand by strand tighten the original over shoulder tail carefully. And cross the underarm tail over the over shoulder tail. Keep tension on both tails as you flip the over shoulder tail up, over the short tail, and back over your shoulder. Pin the short tail in your legs while you push any slack in the long tail back, and reach behind you with the opposite hand to find the top rail of this tail hanging down behind your shoulder. Spread the top rail high over baby's back under your opposite arm. Pin the top rail in your teeth or chin while you pull the width of this pass down and tighten the bottom rail. Tuck this tail up through the chest belt, just like the other tail is tucked on the opposite side of the chest belt. Strand by strand tighten both of these tails, spreading them out evenly over the chest belt. Then bring both tails under your arms, over baby's legs, and secure with a double knot. The back carry is now complete. Do any adjustments you need to make the over shoulder passes as wide and even as possible. For the front carry, start with the middle marker centered on your back. Gently try to pull it up between your back and back baby's legs. Using one tail, create a hammocked cross pass by holding the same side arm horizontally and flipping the tail up. Then tuck the tail up over and then back down through one or both of the bunched passes that tuck around the chest belt. Spread the tuck wide and even and adjust the pouch to baby's size. Now bring the second tail up and over your chest as well. Don't flip this one. It's going to be a sling pass, so it doesn't need to be hammocked. Do another knotless tuck up and over the 2 bunched passes that are anchored to the chest belt. Again, spread this tuck out wide and even and size the pouch for baby. Pull the outer sling pass up toward your face and pin it under your chin. Double check the sizing of the cross pass and then go get your front baby. Load baby into the cross pass so it goes down diagonally over their back and between their legs. Pull the top of the hammock between you up high, pulling slack away from your back and toward the front. Then spread the pass high over their back and tighten any slack through the knotless tuck. Now pull the back pass tight toward the sling pass on the other side. Jump rope this pass up and over baby's head. Spread it down over their back, pulling all excess width to the bottom rail and tucking it under their bum. Move all slack up toward your shoulder and tighten through the knotless tuck. Then tie the two tails together in a double knot under front baby's bum. This is the most supportive tandem for smaller toddlers I've found, and this front carry can be anchored to almost any two-shouldered back carry.